What is good, people? RXL, your big time fragrance influencer, and I'm back with another video. And hopefully today I can influence you into saving yourself some money by ignoring a bunch of BS that you're going to see about these fragrances in this community. As you guys know, Dior just dropped their new 2026 version of Dior Homme Intense. I have the pre-2026 version right here of Dior Homme Intense. Now, if you have this version, you're probably wondering, does this new version, what does it smell like? What are the differences? And before you waste 15, 20 minutes on some influencer bloviating, sniffing his hand, like, ooh, there's a slight difference in the ambrette seed. Let me just let you in on a few things, and there's going to be a few hot takes. So if you're easily triggered, this video it might not be for you. I'm a huge fan of Dior, and I'm a huge fan of the Dior Homme line. Let me just show you a couple of things I've pulled from the shelves here for this video. This is probably one of the biggest compliment getters, if that's important to you, in my collection, and it's called Dior Homme Original. Now it's called Original. Before it was just Dior Homme. They reformulated it. The 2020 version is absolute garbage. Don't waste your money on it. This is a classic. I have this, and I have a backup bottle of it. It's an amazing fragrance. What you're going to get out of that is pretty much lipstick and powdery makeup. You're not going to get a makeup bag. You're going to get what's in the bottom of a makeup bag. Now this is the GOAT, the legend. I also have two bottles of this. Dior Homme Parfum, not the latest, reformulation. This is the legend, which, by the way, the original and this, people are going to claim it's difficult to get. No, not really. I have two bottles. You can go to Venba right now, and yeah, you're going to pay $300, but you're going to get 100 ml. You're going to get it brand new. It's not going to be fake. It's not going to be reformulated, this new trash. You're going to get the legendary Dior Homme Parfum. By the way, none of these are difficult to get. That's the FOMO people are trying to sell you in the lie. Now we have Dior Homme Intense. This is also not the newly formulated Dior Homme Intense. But don't worry, guys, because you don't have to waste your money on that, this new, it's got a new formula code. You don't have to waste your money on it, and you don't have to waste your time on it. I've already smelled it. I've already worn it. Guess what? It's exact same stuff. Why does it have a new formula code? I don't know. Ask the people who are telling you that this is some kind of new formula. Ask them, what chemicals or what changes are in this new formula. I'll wait. Is it different iris? Is it a different amount of iris? Did they add what? What did they add to it? It could be the coloring that they put in the juice, for all you know. But in the meantime, let's wait for these, experts to sniff it off their hand for 5 seconds and tell us the very new composition that Dior Homme is using for this new Dior Homme Intense. Because I don't have any of that. I'm not an expert. I couldn't tell you, exactly what's in it. I can tell you this. I wore it, and they smell exactly the damn same. Exactly the damn same. So don't go waste your money. Don't go waste your time. This is not difficult to find. This is my old bottle. When I saw this nonsense, I said, you know what? I'm such a big fan. I could always use a backup bottle of some Dior Homme, not 12 like some people around here. I'm just a fragrance guy, not a perfume guy. So I went and I caught me a backup bottle of Dior Homme Intense. And I didn't pay $160 for it, for the new 2026 reformulation that smells exactly the same. I went to Gift Express. And I paid with my coupon that I swiped off of JentSense channel. It's Gents10. I paid $105. Again, not difficult to find these. You guys are probably going to pay like $111, I believe, with that gift, with that affiliate code of JentSense. Not mine, it's JentSense. I'm just looking out for you guys, trying to save you money. If that puts money into another content creator's pocket, I don't care. I'm more concerned about you, my audience. But yeah, there you go. You don't have to fall for the nonsense. You don't have to pay through the nose unless you get that, you know, that very specific version of Dior Homme Parfum. Easily, readily available in the United States, all day, every day. Dior Homme Parfum's been discontinued for how many years? I still have no problem getting it. And now time for the hot take. This is the powdery iris and lipstick. It's an amazing fragrance. And then you got the Parfum. This is the very upscale, even more lipstick with some rose. And ooh, this is like what you wear to your wedding. This is like a very high class, a very special occasion type of fragrance. And then we have, probably the most talked about of all these, and this is the Intense. And I'm just going to say it, overrated. It's overrated. I love it. I got 2 bottles of it. I wear it. I don't wear it as much as the original or the Parfum. You can see by the slight dents. I do have a ton of bottles, but you can see there are slight dents in it. I guess there's a tiny dent in this one as well, but it's overrated. I'm going to tell you why. It's an amazing scent. I mean, if you don't have any of these and you just want something that you want to go grab at the mall or grab off a discounter for $100, it's going to get you everything from the original Dior Homme. It's going to add some kind of ambrette seed to give it a little bit of like woodiness or a slight leather touch to it. Why people are so enamored with this specific version of the fragrance, I don't know. My advice, get the original. My advice, get the pre-reformulation of Parfum. Get those 2, call it a day. They're all you need. Unless, for some miraculous reason, that you cannot find either of these, then this will be great. It is great. It's amazing. But God, they act like it sprouted little legs and walks on water or something. I have them all, so I'm giving you like my personal favorites here. I have the Low, which is basically just a lighter, citrusy iris version of it. It's kind of like for the summer. I have the Sport, which is, it's good, but it's pretty much just a generic mall fragrance. I have the 2020 Dior Homme, which is essentially brown ISO-E Super, just a waste of money. I have the Cologne, which smells like lemonade, and they reformulated it, and guess what it smells like now? It smells like lemonade. It's like the 3rd reformulation, and all of them smell like lemonade. The Dior Homme Sport smells the same. Dior is on some BS, okay? They discontinue, and then they re-release, and most of them are exactly the same, but then they sneak some like completely different fragrances in there, like the new Parfum, or what else did they try to get by with? They snuck in that boring bottle of ISO-E Super and slapped Dior Homme on it. So there you go. You don't have to watch 5, 6, 8. I seen some retard. He made like 10 videos on the same fragrance, that Dolce & Gabbana the one. What a goofball. You don't have to waste your time with 10 different Dior Homme videos. I pretty much just gave you the scoop on all of them. I'm giving you the game for free, people. And as always, thank you for watching.